How to rank #1 with Hermes AI SEO. I'm ranking on Google with pages I didn't manually build. Hermes found the keyword. It wrote the content. It designed the page. It deployed it live. And all I did was buy a domain. And that's the system I'm going to walk you through right now. Let me tell you exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Hermes is an open source AI agent built by News Research. It runs on your server around the clock. It remembers every task it's completed, and it has a built-in cron scheduler, meaning you can set it to run the same workflow every single day automatically without you logging in once. That's the core of this SEO system. Find keywords, build page, deploy, rank over and over on autopilot. Here's the step-by-step of what Hermes actually does in this workflow. So first of all, you're going to do keyword research. Hermes uses its built-in web search tools to scan for trending keywords, new terms, rising searches, things people just started looking for. The low competition stuff where being first actually matters. So for example, let's say you were trying to rank and it could be like best AI community 2026. That could be an example of a keyword you're trying to rank for with an exact match domain using this process. So it's not pulling from a static list, it's searching the web in real time, spotting what's trending, everything else as it comes in, right? Now, second is the content creation. So once Hermes has the keyword, it writes a full landing page, headline, body copy, structure, all of it built around that specific keyword and search intent. And then you've got the design, right? So it doesn't just dump raw text in, it formats and designs the landing page so it looks like a real useful resource. So it's like a full landing page, maybe about 2,000 words, something like that. And it'll be called something like bestaicommunity.com, and then you rank it for that keyword. And fourth is the deployment. So Hermes actually connects to Netlify and pushes the page live. So there's no manual uploading, no clicking around dashboards. It just goes. I get a message on Telegram telling me it's done, and then I buy a custom domain, point it at the page, upload it to Google Search Console and verify it, and let it rank. That's the whole system. And it's super easy to do. I mean, like for example, if you actually Google Enterprise SEO ROI Calculator, you'll find an example of my page ranking. That was actually a page I built with Bolt. But you could do the same thing with Hermes. And the cool thing about Hermes is you can schedule tasks in. It's kind of similar to OpenClaw. The reason that I don't use OpenClaw instead of Hermes is because Hermes is way less technical, it breaks less, and it fixes itself way easier, right? OpenClaw just breaks, won't fix itself, and is way more technical. So Hermes, for example, can find the pages, it can build it, it can deploy it, buy the domain, and we're done, right? With the scheduled cron job, aka scheduled tasks, Hermes now does this every single day on its own. So there's no prompt for me, no reminder, it just runs at whatever time I set. Every morning I can wake up and there are new pages live, targeting fresh keywords, already indexed and starting to rank. And if you want help setting up and building up the systems to help rank your business, keyword research, backlinks, content creation, book in a free SEO strategy session with my team at juliangoldie.com. We'll map out exactly how to use Hermes to get you ranking fast and pulling in consistent free organic traffic. Link in the comments description, or go to juliangoldie.com. Now, let's talk about why this actually works. The strategy is targeting long tail, low competition keywords, specific search terms that not many people have built pages around. So when someone, for example, searches Enterprise SEO ROI Calculator, how many dedicated, well-built pages exist for that exact phase? Usually very few. That's a gap Hermes is exploiting. And here's what the data says about exact match domains in 2026. Research across 600 domains found that exact match domains need around 60% lower domain rating than other sites to rank in the same top 10 position. 60% lower. That's a massive head start for a brand new page. So when Hermes finds a low competition keyword, builds a solid page around it, and you point an exact match domain to it, you're stacking two advantages at once: the domain signal and the content quality, both pointing Google toward the same conclusion: rank this page. But here's what separates this from the old spammy EMD tactics of like 2012. Hermes isn't building like thin pages with a keyword stuffed in 3 times. It's building real structured, useful content, pages that actually answer the search query, pages that look fast, look clean, load fast, have clean code, and give the visitor what they came for. Google killed the old EMD game because those sites had no substance, no value. This system pairs the domain advantage with content that genuinely earns its rankings. And there's another layer that most people miss, and it's what makes Hermes different from just using ChatGPT to write a page. Hermes remembers, right? So every keyword is already targeted gets logged. Every page it's already built gets saved. So it never duplicates. It keeps expanding day after day. The keyword footprint grows, more pages, more traffic, more ranking opportunities, and it can automate tasks and schedule them in. And the skills it builds, Hermes writes and saves those as reusable workflows. So by the 10th time it runs his SEO process, it's faster and sharper than the first. Most tools reset every single session. Hermes actually compounds and improves. That's what it's designed for. And if you want the setup in plain terms, basically you can just code this locally. So you get the GitHub from Hermes Agent, it's completely free and open source. Then you connect it to whatever API model you want to use. And then from there, you can start training it to create the process. If you want more tips on that, we've got the full workflow inside the AI profit boarding. But essentially, you can have this running locally, running 24/7, and even connect it to like Telegram, for example. So you can be on your phone and use this wherever you are. And then you can write one simple instruction, like for example, every day at 8 a.m., find a new trending low competition keyword in my niche, build a landing page targeting it, and deploy it to Netlify. Hermes runs the workflow, messages you when it's done, you buy the domain, the page goes live, and boom, shakalaka, it starts ranking, right? Think about what your customers are searching for right now: new tools, new methods, new terms in your industry that are just starting to pick up search volume. Those are the keywords you want to own before anyone else does. An agency owner could build a page targeting a new service term the moment it starts trending and be the only result on page one before competitors even notice the keyword exists. A freelancer could own a niche tool comparison keyword that's picking up traction in their space. Hermes is scanning for all of this every single day. SEO, it used to take weeks, right? It used to take weeks of planning, writing, and building before a single page went live. Hermes compresses that entire process into one scheduled task running quietly in the background. And the businesses that figure this out first are going to own serious search real estate in their niches. And the window is right now, whilst most competitors haven't touched AI powered SEO yet. This isn't about shortcuts, by the way. This is about implementing a smart SEO strategy faster and more consistently than ever before. So if you want to build this for your business and start putting in free organic traffic on autopilot, book in a free SEO strategy session with my team at juliangoldie.com. We'll look at your niche, find the keyword opportunities, and show you exactly how to get this system running. Link in the comments description or go to juliangoldie.com.